Hi and welcome to my channel.
If you think ADHD only looks like the hyper little boy in class,
You're missing half the story. In women, it often hides behind.
Perfectionism, burnout, and masking.
That's exactly why most of us never get diagnosed until it's too late. Today, I want to talk about how ADHD shows up in women and why it gets misdiagnosed or missed entirely. I think as women, we are excellent at hiding our pain and our trauma, even in the general day to day neurotypical Indian context. Now we are going to talk about how it impacts a girl who has ADHD. It's quite bad. सबसे पहले तो ये समझना जरूरी है कि जब ADHD के बारे में पता चला था तो इट वाज मोस्टली रिसर्च्ड अराउंड लिटिल बॉयज जो हाइपर एक्टिव दिखते थे, क्लास डिसरप्ट करते थे, who couldn't sit, who would fidget all the time, and that's why women were completely ignored in this picture. In fact, proper research on ADHD on women has only started in 2019. If this doesn't make you angry, you have really good self-control. गिफ्ट मी दैट बिकॉज इट मेक्स मी रियली एंग्री. इनफैक्ट आज के डेट पे भी बहुत सारे क्लिनिशियंस पहले एंजाइटी, डिप्रेशन इन्हीं को मेन चीज समझ के उसी का ट्रीटमेंट शुरू कर देते हैं. दे नेवर गो डीपर, दे डोंट लुक एट द कोर इशू, दे डोंट टेक प्रॉपर हिस्ट्री, दे डायग्नोज यू इन वन सेशन विदाउट प्रॉपर असेसमेंट. और इस वजह से बहुत सारे मिसडायग्नोसिस होते हैं. यू आर टोल्ड स्पेशली एज अ वुमेन दैट
You just overthink a lot. Maybe you're just anxious. It is nothing. It is anxiety.
ADHD often hides behind all that. हमने stats के अकॉर्डिंग भी देखा है कि रेशियो 4:1 है in childhood. That is, 4 males would end up getting diagnosed with ADHD compared to only 1 female child. But as they grow up, adults का रेशियो equal देखने को मिलता है. That means women were there all along. We just ended up getting diagnosed late. Women end up being hyper vigilant. They end up tracking everyone, being very anxious, thinking a lot. They always go the extra step. They'll color code everything, people pleasing, they'll triple check everything. And these strategies end up helping, okay? You somehow survive until life starts getting more difficult. College, job, relationships, after marriage, after kids. At some point of life, whatever you have built,
Comes crashing down.
something I definitely want to read out loud here. You're the girl who scored well because you studied twice as long, who never got in trouble in class because you were too scared of making mistakes. You sat quietly, but your mind wandered off mid lesson. And you would scribble in the margin or hum to yourself in your head. You forgot homework in your bag, left your tiffin at home, and heard, Kitni careless ho tum. More times than you can count. And because you weren't running around the class, no one thought it could be ADHD. As females, you should also know that our ADHD tends to get worsened during menstrual cycle due to the hormonal changes. Even अगर तुम meds पे भी हो, meds can still end up not helping you at all when your menstrual cycle occurs. I personally am on meds and I do feel that difference. Like it's like my meds stop working during my menstrual cycle, okay? While a neurotypical male can go ahead and do all the same things and it can be passed off as it's a guy thing. This is a guy. That's why guys are more likely to be able to get diagnosed easily. There's a lot of stigma also. अभी तक भी बहुत सारे लोगों को लगता है कि मेल्स के अंदर ही तो होता है ADHD, वो भी यंग मेल्स के अंदर ज़्यादा देखने को मिलता है, स्पेशली हमारे इंडियन सिस्टम की अगर मैं बात करूँ तो. So it's important that if you ever go for a diagnosis, your psychiatrist is informed in adult ADHD also very specifically. If you're a female watching this video right now, let me know in the comment section, maybe a personal story of yours, maybe how your journey is looking like, in which stage are you right now, are you currently diagnosed or not diagnosed, are you exploring this stuff, are you on meds, are you not on meds. Everything and anything you want to share, I would really appreciate it. It helps me feel less alone, and it also gives me insight into what people are actually dealing with. This was a video on ADHD and women. If you like this video, don't forget to hit thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Bye.